Hello everyone, welcome to Vanila channel, and for today I've got a surprise for you as well. I found this not new, but almost never worn tights. They are warm tights, and I have been asked many times to do a video wearing warm tights, and for a popular demand I thought I'm going to do this for you. I'm going to wear warm tights for you all to see and enjoy. So first of all, I need to like so. Excuse my holes. So here are the tights on me. Have a look. Try and hold just for you. Thank you for watching and enjoying my videos, and wish you again Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year! I cannot wait for 2023. So see you soon in the next couple of videos. Stay tuned. It will be very soon.